What's up guys, and welcome back to the epic exciting news. Today we'll be taking a look at Galaxy S22 possible design inspiration. Samsung officially unveils the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Watch 4. Samsung's brand new camera sensor finally unveiled, plus more news. Let's get right into it. Okay, so every year Samsung has successfully managed to create a new design look when it comes to the back of their flagships. If you look at the Galaxy S9 series all the way to the S21 lineup, there's something new, something standout for the newer generation. Over the years, the back design has become really important because the front of the smartphones are getting very identical. I mean, you can't tell a difference between the S21 Ultra or the Galaxy S20 Ultra when you look at from the front. The only way to see any difference is when you flip the phones and look at the back. It's not just with Samsung flagship phones, even the competition has a very similar look by using the punch hole system, so it's very important to create a unique back look of the phone. And well, we now have a brand new patent that kind of shows off what could inspire the new look of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. So out comes a brand new patent that was filed in February of this year, which is after the launch of the S21 lineup. We have three new looks that are very similar to the S21's design, kind of like a continuation of what Samsung has done with the S21 series. Especially if you look at the middle model, we have 4 cameras stacked on top, and I'm not sure if majority of people will be happy with this, but it does have a unique standout look. On the left, we have a very basic dual camera look. None of the Galaxy S flagship phones in the future will have dual cameras. And then towards the right, we have sort of an iPhone style inspiration going on. To be honest, the look is very similar to Samsung's recent mid-range phone, the Galaxy A22. It is of course a little bit different from this because it's blending on the side, similar to the S21 lineup. So yeah, Samsung is making some wild moves when it comes to the patent. Again, this could have an impact on what we'll eventually see on the Galaxy S22 series. Also in the news, Samsung has kinda officially unveiled the Galaxy Fold 3 and the Galaxy Watch 4. I mean, the leaks have been all over the place, so Samsung is like, why not just show it off in a brand new trailer that they uploaded officially on their channel. The video is titled Voices of Galaxy, and in this video, you can see this lady is actually wearing Galaxy Watch 4, and not just that, she's using the Galaxy Z Fold 3, the unannounced super flagship foldable phone that Samsung will be unveiling on August 11th. You can clearly tell by looking at that camera bump and that flash cutout. And if you're still having a doubt, well, you can literally see the S Pen in her hands. As we know, one of the biggest features about the Z Fold 3 is that it is compatible with the S Pen, which is why you can see the S Pen in this shot. And there we go, Samsung has spilled the beans themselves. No surprises at all. I guess you can see this brand new kind of a leather cover for the Z Fold 3, which is looking pretty good. Now last but not the least, Samsung has announced a brand new camera sensor called ISOCELL 4AC. And no, it's not a smartphone camera, it's actually for automobiles. So this is a 1.2 megapixel sensor with a pretty large size and possibly the biggest pixel size on any Samsung camera sensor, coming at 3 micrometer for those low light shots. In addition to better low light performance, high quality video, and better HDR, this camera comes with corner pixel technology, which means enhanced field of view for safer driving. So yeah, a brand new ISOCELL camera for automobiles that can be used in different areas of the car. That's all the news for today. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.